Deepika Kakkar diagnosed with stage 2 liver cancer, undergoes 14-hour surgery. Shoaib Ibrahim shares ICU update, she's in some pain. In heartbreaking news from the television world, actress Deepika Kakkar has been diagnosed with stage 2 liver cancer. The beloved Sasural Simar Ka star recently underwent a massive 14-hour surgery on Tuesday, 3rd June. Her husband, actor Shoaib Ibrahim, shared a detailed health update and asked fans to continue praying for her recovery. Taking to Instagram on Wednesday, 4th June, Shoaib wrote, "Hi everyone, sorry I couldn't update you last night. It was a long surgery. She was in OT for 14 hours. But Alhamdulillah, everything went well. Deepi is currently in the ICU. She's in some pain, but she's stable and doing okay. Thank you all Dil Se for your love, prayers, and support. It truly means a lot. I will update you all once she's out of the ICU. Thank you once again. Keep praying for her." Deepika had earlier opened up about her diagnosis via an emotional Instagram post on 28 May. Sharing how the diagnosis came out of nowhere, she revealed, "As you all are aware, last few weeks have been quite difficult for us. Walking into the hospital for a pain in the upper area of my stomach, and then finding out it's a tennis ball-sized tumor in the liver, and then finding out that the tumor is second-stage malignant, cancerous. It has been one of the most difficult time we have experienced." She continued, "With my entire family being by my side and all the love and prayers pouring in from all of you, I will sail through this too. Inshallah. Keep me in your prayers. Lots of love. Deepika." In their YouTube vlog, the couple further opened up about the ordeal. Shoaib mentioned that apart from the tumor, Deepika was also dealing with pain caused by a gallbladder stone. The doctors, however, were hopeful and informed them that the tumor removal surgery would lead to a full recovery. On the professional front, Deepika had recently returned to television with a cooking reality show Celebrity MasterChef after being away for 4 years. Sadly, her stint was cut short due to a shoulder injury, and now this health crisis has taken center stage in her life. Here's wishing Deepika a smooth and speedy recovery. The entire industry and her fans are rooting for her strength and comeback. Sharvari Wagh quietly ended things with Sunny Kaushal after Katrina's subtle warning. Rumors around Sharvari Wagh and Sunny Kaushal's relationship have been making the rounds for quite some time. While the two sparked dating buzz ever since they worked together in the Forgotten Army Azadi Ke Liye, they never made anything official. But now, internet sleuths on Reddit have reignited chatter, claiming the duo parted ways a while ago, allegedly because Sunny wasn't offering any clarity about their future. One user alleged that it wasn't an easy separation. While Sharvari's professional graph has been soaring, from high-profile endorsements to being frequently spotted outside Dharma and YRF offices, Sunny, on the other hand, has reportedly remained in the OTT space without much mainstream buzz. According to online speculation, industry insiders feel he's been pushed to the sidelines. Interestingly, one netizen also hinted that Katrina Kaif, Sunny's bhabhi and Vicky Kaushal's wife, might have subtly hinted to Sharvari about the direction the relationship was heading. The Redditor shared, "She was apparently already getting subtle hint from Katrina, who loves her by the way, about what direction the relationship was going in. When people in the family asked Sunny about their future, he gave such non-answers that even Katrina reportedly raised an eyebrow." Adding a dramatic twist, the same Reddit user claimed Vicky Kaushal may have unknowingly played a role in Sunny's alleged career missteps, saying the elder brother advised Sunny to reject a promising film offer, only for the project to reportedly land in the hands of Vicky's friend. One Reddit comment read, "Okay, just one part which seems iffy to me. Why would Vicky try to sabotage his own brother? Good on Kat for saving Sharvari. But I don't think Sharvari was taking Sunny that seriously anyway. It's good to be single than having unsupportive men around for a rising actress. But the real question is, isn't it kinda risky for Kat to be meddling in Sunny's business like that? Wouldn't Vicky be mad at her?" The alleged fallout also saw a moment where Sunny reportedly made a sarcastic remark about Sharvari's PR presence while she was promoting a brand and chilling with her squad. If Reddites are to be believed, that was the final straw. Without making a scene or engaging in social media drama, Sharvari simply moved on, no cryptic posts, no deleted pictures, just quiet closure.
June 2025, a day that will go down in IPL history. After 18 long years, Royal Challengers Bangalore have finally won their first ever IPL title. RCB defeated Punjab Kings at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad in a thrilling match that ended on the final ball of the 20th over. While it took 11 players to seal the win, all eyes were on Virat Kohli. The Indian legend finally achieved his franchise cricket dream. His biggest cheerleader, wife and actor Anushka Sharma, was right there in the stands, rooting for him every single moment. As RCB clinched the win, Virat sunk to the ground, covering his face with his hands. Anushka mirrored his reaction in the stands, covering her face as well. The actor then jumped up with joy, hugging other members of RCB's cheer brigade next to her in the private box. An emotional Anushka hugged Virat and congratulated him, letting him have one of the biggest moments of his career. But while one team celebrated, another faced heartbreak. Punjab Kings co-owner and actress Preeti Zinta was seen leaving the ground, looking visibly drained. The Veer Zara actress looked gorgeous in a white kurta with red dupatta and salwar. However, the disappointment was clearly visible on her face, and the moment is now going viral. Emotions, history, and a long-awaited victory, what a night for RCB fans. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more IPL 2025 moments. Rashmika Mandanna recently opened up about her journey in the film industry, reflecting on the challenges and triumphs she has experienced over the past 8 years. I'm immensely grateful for everything these past 8 years have brought into my life. As I step into my 9th year, my hope is to continue growing both as an actor and as a person by embracing new experiences and constantly learning along the way, Rashmika shared. She admits that the road has not always been smooth but emphasizes how fulfilling it has been. Looking back, the journey hasn't always been easy, but it has been incredibly fulfilling. There's still so much I want to explore and achieve, and I truly believe the path ahead is filled with opportunities for growth, discovery, and new experiences. I'm excited to keep moving forward and see where it takes me. With fame comes scrutiny, and Rashmika has learned to differentiate between constructive feedback and negativity. Over the years, I've definitely learned to differentiate between noise and constructive criticism, especially when it comes to my craft. Of course, there are days when certain things I read don't feel great. I'm human, and it does affect me at times. Despite the challenges, support from her loved ones keeps her motivated. But then there are also days when I feel incredibly grateful for the people in my life who lift me up, remind me of how far I've come, and see the go-getter in me. Like I've said before, none of this was ever part of a plan. I never imagined I'd be here, doing what I love. So to have reached this point, maybe I am doing something right. And that thought, along with the support I receive, is what keeps me going. Rashmika's choices in her career continue to be instinctive. I've always been someone who goes after things that truly align with me, whether it's choosing a film script or making any other important decision in life. I rely a lot on instinct, and if something feels right in my heart, that's usually the path I end up taking. Though her instincts guide her, experience has helped her sharpen her vision. What has evolved, though, is the understanding of what kind of impact I want to create through my work. With experience, the lens through which I evaluate opportunities has become sharper, but the foundation of staying true to myself has always remained the same, and that's how it'll always be. While rumors about her reuniting with Vijay Deverakonda have been making headlines, Rashmika has chosen not to comment on the speculation. Summing up her unexpected yet rewarding career path, Rashmika said, "Acting was never part of some grand plan. I never imagined I'd become an actor one day, but I did, and I'm so thankful that life unfolded the way it did. I genuinely wouldn't have it any other way."